Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. It's a cold Thursday morning, but we have a EP3 in Milano red for tuning today. It's on a K-Pro ECU. It's got an induction kit, an RRC manifold, Piper 4-to-1, a Decat and a Tegiwa 70mm. So this should be a good one. It's already got a bass file on there on a K-Pro, so some description of bass file. So we're going to run it as she is, and then we're going to start tuning. So here we go.
Red EP3, brilliant story about this Red EP3. This guy has owned this car from new.
Yeah, he said he bought it off the forecourt, brand new, delivery mileage. It's a 52 plate car. It's done 197,000.
He's
999, would you believe? It's almost just going to go 198,000.
Wowzer. He's done all of those.
Yes.
And that's a true enthusiast. It's his daily. So
Yeah.
he's bought this car, he's drove it ever since.
Well, if this car broke, in my opinion, if this car broke today at nearly 200,000 miles, it don't owe you out after 26 years of owning it.
Yeah.
And 200,000 miles, what does it owe you? Nothing. So
Awesome
it's
car.
A really nice story. Paint's a little bit faded. He has talked to us about doing some paint on it, or possibly giving him a quote on doing some paint on it, although it's in good condition in the sense of it's not damaged. It's just...
It's a Milano red.
Yeah, it's a Milano red, and it's done 200,000 miles, so the paint's faded. But yeah, what a story. It's not very often you hear that sort of thing, is it?
It's not. Yeah, respect.
Yeah, he travelled all the way up from Bournemouth today. He travelled all the way up. So a lovely ride up. Said he left at R5, got here for about 9 o'clock, just about bang on, which was ace. Already the mods were already on it. He's on a K-Pro ECU, and we've tuned.
So a couple of mods I mentioned at the beginning: RRC 3.5-inch induction kit, Piper manifold, Piper Decat, and a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust.
Yeah, so good round of mods, real good round of mods, and it made some power. It had a base map on it of some description from the K-Pro ECU, and we've improved on it. We've made power everywhere. We've made a load of peak power. it's tuned up really, really nice. Exactly what you would expect. He didn't want pops and bangs, which is totally fair enough. He's an older gent, doesn't want it, which is fine. We added the launch control in there and just said, well, it's just a free feature, and if you don't want to use it, you don't use it. It's really as simple as that. So we put that in there and put a shift light on, which is about all we can do.
Finishing on 235 brake.
235 brake horsepower, yeah. I'm sure that will feel absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, big dollop in that mid-range.
Yeah.
So even from the K-Pro base map, whoever put that on it, it's still made a whopping gain in mid-range.
Yeah, for sure.
Fantastic. Let's look at the graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Well, say it with me, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Power across the rev range, looking really happy. Finishing on 235. That's 195 at the wheels and another one in the back. And yes, what a story, and how remarkable to have a car for that long. Yeah, legendary stuff. So some good mods, good back from our Richard, and he'll be on his way back down south to enjoy his Honda Civic EP3 Type R. If you've got one of these and you do need some body work, or you want some modifications, or you want to tune, give us a shout. Instagram, Facebook, email, pick up the phone, go old school, talk to us. Whatever you want, you can find us, and we're happy to help. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.